So, hello guys. A few months ago, about 4 months, I uploaded a video that got good views. It was about a music bot source code that many people tried, and I received a lot of great feedback. So I thought, why not upgrade it a bit and add some more features? After that, I started working on it and made several upgrades. Today, I'm going to show you what changes I made, how you can get this bot, and how you can easily set it up. So let's go. So here we are on Discord, and here is our bot. If I use a / command to show you, you'll see that it has over 20 plus commands to handle different things. One thing you might have noticed is the dashboard option. We'll talk about that later. But first, we need to join the bot to a voice channel. For that, we can either use /join or directly play a song. So let's play a song. As you can see, when I search for a song, it provides autocomplete suggestions and displays available songs. After selecting one and running the command, you can see that the bot has joined the voice channel, the song is playing, and an embed has been sent along with a music card. You can also manage everything directly using buttons. Another thing to note is that the channel status updates to display the currently playing song. If you don't like the music card, you can change or remove it using the /music card command to switch to a normal embed. Apart from that, there are many other options, such as clear, autoplay, filters, forward, leave, loop, cue, lyrics, move, no playing, pause, 24/7 mode, volume, search, and more, which you can test when you use the bot. Now, let's check out the dashboard to access it. We'll run the /dashboard command and then click on the button to open the link. The first thing we see is the login page, where we log in using our Discord account. After logging in, we see all the servers where both we and the bot are present. Right now, we are in the BassBite server. So we click on Open Music Room to access it. Here, you'll see a sidebar with servers and a refresh icon. If you add the bot to a new server and refresh, it will appear here. Below that, there's a search bar and a queue section. This allows you to search for songs directly from the dashboard and add them to the queue. Now let me show you how it works. First, I'll make the bot leave the voice channel, and then I'll demonstrate. So, as you can see, when I searched for a song, all the available songs appeared. For example, if I want to play this song, I'll click on the play icon, and the bot will join the voice channel and start playing the song. Below, you can also see that it displays which song is currently playing. From here, you can also add songs to the queue by clicking on the play icon, and as you can see, the songs are getting added to the queue. One more thing that I didn't mention is that you can directly play your Spotify playlists on Discord using /play and providing the playlist URL. This will start playing the playlist automatically. I can't increase the song volume too much due to copyright issues. Also, there's a playlist system where you can create multiple playlists, add, remove songs, and play an entire playlist directly. There are a lot more features, but I can't show everything here. So you can check them out yourself. Now let's move on to how you can get the code and set it up. So for this, you will need to go to my Patreon shop, and under the shop tab, you'll find a lot of Discord bot-related items, but we won't talk about those right now. When you click the link in the description, you'll be directed to this shop tab, and right at the top, you'll see the music bot. Previously, people bought the Discord music bot I launched, and for them, this updated version is completely free. They won't need to pay again and can simply go to their Patreon and download the updated code. But if you haven't bought it before and now want to, simply click here and you'll see all the details. You can directly click on Buy Now to make the purchase, and you'll get it right away. The package includes a README file where I've explained everything step by step, but I'll also explain it in this video. And yes, I also have a discount code for you, but it's only available for a limited time. You can see the discount code on your screen, and when you're on the payment page, enter this code to get 30% off. Once you download the files, you'll get a zip file and a README file. You can read the README, but for the zip, simply unzip it and open it in Visual Studio Code. Then go to the .env file, where you'll need to enter the bot ID, token, and MongoDB URL. After that, go to the config.js file in the src folder and enter the client id and client secret. Then just install the npm packages and run the bot using Node. and the bot will start. For the dashboard, you need to go to the Discord developer portal, go to the OAuth tab, and enter the redirect link, and you'll have it set up